Hi children, welcome to Yaksharda Public School, grade 3rd, EVS. Topic: What do animals eat? Worksheet number 2, activity number 2 and 3. Children, today we are learning to understand the body features of herbivores, carnivores and omnivores animals. Categorize the animals based on their food habits. Let's know about animals that feed on plants. Some animals eat only plants. Such animals are called herbivores. For example, cows, rabbits, hags, horses, zebras, goats and elephants. Herbivores have wide front teeth that help them to bite leaves and grasses. Their strong back teeth help them to chew leaves. Large herbivores such as cows, goats and buffaloes swallow their food after chewing it for a short period. Later, they bring the food back to their mouth and chew it properly for a long time. This is known as chewing the cud. Smaller herbivores such as rabbit and squirrels have long and sharp front teeth that help them to bite their food into pieces. These animals bite their food repeatedly. This is known as gnawing the food. They have flat grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. These teeth break food into smaller pieces. Many kinds of insects and birds obtain food from plants. For example, parrots, pigeons, grasshoppers and butterflies. Let's know about animals that feed on other animals. Some animals feed only on the flesh of other animals. They do not eat plants. Such animals are called carnivores. For example, tigers, lions, leopards and wild dogs. Sharp teeth help them to tear the flesh and cut the food into pieces. Sharp claws help them to hold the while hunting and eating. Most snakes eat small animals such as birds, mice, frogs and eggs of birds. They swallow their food. All snakes are carnivores. Some birds such as eagles and owls are carnivores. They eat small animals. They have sharp and strong beak and claws. Eagles catch fish for food while some even feed on animals such as small monkeys. Most kinds of fish eat only other animals. Such fish have sharp teeth. Sharks are powerful hunters and kill other fish. Many kinds of insects feed on other insects. Dragonflies feed on insects such as mosquito. Ladybird beetles live on plants and eat insects that damage plants. That is why ladybird beetles are known as the farmer's friend. Frogs and toads to eat insects. They have a long, sticky tongue with which they catch insects. Then they roll the tongue back into their mouth to swallow the food. Let's know about animals that eat both plants and animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Such animals are called omnivores. For example, bears, peacock, chicken, sparrows, foxes and pet dogs. Peacocks, for example, feeds on tender leaves, seeds, insects, snakes and lizards. Some other feeding habits. They use this tube to suck their food. Insects such as butterflies, bees and mosquitoes have long and thin tube-like mouth part. All animals feed water to live. Animals drink water from puddles, ponds, river and lakes. Let's move to activity number 2. This is a sorting activity. Children, look at the animals and classify the animals into herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous and write their names in given boxes. Here, one example has been done for you. Herbivorous, cow, carnivorous, crocodile, omnivorous, urban squirrel. In the same way, you have to write the names of animals in the respected columns. Let's move to activity number 3. Answer the following questions. The questions are: what is chewing cud? Question number 2. Define the term gnawing. Question number 3. Write the body features of herbivorous animals. Thank you.